Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Driven Dive. This is Sagar Saxena, and I am back again with yet another lecture of Power BI. So in this lecture, what we are going to discuss, this is a Power BI report, and if you want to change this report to this one, so please open your Power BI desktop and learn all the steps, or if you can also write all the steps somewhere else, and after this session you can try doing that. I will provide you data set, and I will also provide you step by step guide how to turn this report into this one. So let's start with this report. This is our original report which we have created in Power BI, and in this report there is no alignment, no border, and no shadows, and no like visual background or color theme we have. Okay, so we'll do just some things one by one, and it will not take more time. Okay, so let's start. So our first step will be alignment plus visual dimensions. We'll need to just align these visuals we have some card visuals, we have donut chart, we have pie chart, we have funnel chart, we have bar chart, we have line chart, and we have clustered bar chart also. So we just need to align these charts and card visuals, and also we'll do some visual dimensions in that. Okay, so first what we have to do, we will click here on the space we have in canvas. So first we will do some canvas settings. Okay, so height 600 pixels, and width you need to take 1100 pixel. You can also increase the width if you want. You can take it 1200 pixels as well, so that you can close all these panes, so it will look like that. Height is little bit more, so what we can do, we can decrease the height, but we can decrease the height at the end also when we have done with our overall report, so that we can decrease or increase height accordingly. Okay, next what we have to do, we have to just change the canvas background. From here we can change the canvas background, but if you have updated Power BI, so please take care of that. Here transparency is 100%. So if you change any background, any color, if you want to add in your background, so it will not be added. So you have to make transparency 0. Okay, so I make it 0, then gray color is added to my background because I added gray color in that. So I have done with canvas settings or canvas background. Now we will align these visuals properly. So first we will align our card visual. Okay, so you just need to select all card visual by pressing control. Okay, so by pressing control you click on each card visual, so all the card visuals will be selected. What you need to do, you need to just go to format your visual after selected all the card visual, and in general go to properties, and here you can adjust the height and width of your card visual. So I can make it height 60. 60 is little bit less, I can make it 65, and width I can make it 120. Okay, so it will look good. Or if it will not look, then we can also change the position of this horizontal or vertically, and we have padding options also, you can change them accordingly. Okay, and we can also do some things in that, we can add some effects, but we will do it later on. Okay, now what is the thing, we have to decrease the size of this callout value and category label, because we decrease the position of our card visual. So we can make it little bit wider because these card visuals are very small. So again go to properties, and width we can make it 130. Now it will look good. Then go again to visual and decrease the size of our callout value. We can make it 18 and make it of black color, and make it bold also. And again change the size of category label itself, make it 8 or 9. 9 is fine, make it bold as well, and gray color is fine. So our category label and call out values are adjusted. Now our all card visuals are selected, then go to format option, go to align and distribute it horizontally. When you click on distribute it horizontally, so it will distribute it horizontally, and there will be like same space between every visual, but it is not distributed like in a correct way. We can make we can put it here, and we can now we select all the card visual, and now we can distribute it horizontally. Yeah, now it will look good because there will be some space between our title and our card visuals. And it will also, we can say, check that there is some space on the left side of our, we can say, title, and also there will be some space remaining on the right side of our last card visual. Okay, so on the right hand side, we can make it till here. Okay, and on the left side we can make it till here, or we can also adjust this title bar as well. Okay, we can decrease the size of it, and we can adjust this also. Later on we can do this, or if you want to do this, you can do it right now as well. Okay, so this is the proper alignment of our title and of our card visual. Now I want to align my these visuals. So first I will select this, I will select this as well. So I have to select it one by one because all our visuals are different from each other. So I have to select it one by one, then go to my format visual, go in general, and then go to properties. Okay, so what here what I will do, I will adjust the height and width of every card visual. So remember, sorry, not card visual, for our every other visuals as well. Remember, size of card visual, all card visual will be the same, and size of all other visual will be the same. Height and width will be the same, so that it will look good. Okay, so what we can do, we can adjust the height and width. So height I can take 230, and width I can take 330. Not 330, it will very big. 320 I can take. Okay, now for other visual, same, 230 and 320. For this visual, this will also be also the same, 230 height and 320 will be the width. For these visuals, I will also change the height and width. 230 will be the height, and 320 will be the width. And select this visual as well, 230 height and 320 width. And for this visual, 230 height and 320 will be the width. So our all the visual size of all visual are same now. Okay, so now what we have to do, we will check the visual dimensions, we will change the dimensions. Now we have to align it. Okay, so how we have to align it, just select all three visual, all these three visual by pressing control, go to format, go to align and distribute it horizontally. Okay, now it will not look good. Okay, so make it here, and first we have to align it properly. Okay, we can make it below, and we can make it below as well. Okay, now we can distribute it horizontally. Now we can drive it distributed horizontally, so it will not doing. So no worries, we can align it manually as well. Okay, so do it like that. Okay, so this visual will be like on the left hand side, we'll make it till where we have our title, and this visual will be on the edges of first card visual, and this visual will be on the edges of my last card visual. Okay, same for that. we'll align that accordingly, because we know where we have all the edges, because it is showing when you select the visual by the red dotted line. Okay, so our visuals are adjusted, and we have also aligned them properly. Now what we have to do, so we are done with first step. Our second step will be rounded corners. Okay, so when you look at your mobile, or when you look at your laptop, there will be all the icons will have some rounded corners. Okay, so rounded corner will give you feel when you are looking into your reports. Okay, so we will round the corners. First I will select this, and I'll go to effects, and I'll go to visual border on, and I'll make it of white color, and pixel I will make it 15. Okay, 15 pixels rounded. Then I'll do same thing with my card visuals as well. So select all the card visuals by pressing Control, go to format your visual, go to general, go to effects, and go to visual border, and make it 15 pixels, and make it of white color. Okay, so when you round the corners of this, so our labels will be hidden. So what we have to do here, we have to just increase the height of our card visuals. Okay, so go to general, go to properties, and we can make it 70, so it will look, yeah, if we make it, we can make it 70, then it will look fine. Or we can make it 75 also, so we have some space, or space also will be there. Okay, so 75 will look good. Now what we have to do, we have to do the same thing with our visuals as well. Select all the visuals, so we can make it, we have to select it one by one, because all the visuals are different. Go to format your visuals, go to general, go to effects, go to visual border, and make it of white color, and make it of 15 pixels. Same with this, visual border on, white color, make it of 15 pixels. Same with this visual border on, white color, and 15 pixel we can make it. Okay, same we'll do with all other visual as well, that I am doing here. Okay, you can make it 15. So try remember one thing, visual border and rounded corner will be the same pixel for each every visual. Okay, so that your report will look good and align, it will align properly. Make it 15. Okay, so we have added rounded corners to our each visual. Okay, so now we can see that all our visuals are rounded from the every side of 15 pixels. So we have done two steps. First step will was alignment plus visual direction. Second step was rounded corner, and third step will be border and shadows. Okay, so border and shadows will be the very crucial step when you are preparing a Power BI report. Okay, so let's try to add some borders in that, and try to add some shadows as well. First, we'll select this and go to effects, go to shadow. Border is already done. We'll just now add some shadow of white color, and outside and bottom right. We'll select the same in every visual. Like select your card visuals, and now we can go to format your visual, general, effects. We can make shadow on, and we can make it a white color, outside and bottom right. We will do it for every visual. Select your visual, go to general, and shadow on, make it a white color, outside and bottom right. Just you have to on the border and on the shadow, and change the color in that. And also if you are willing to take rounded corner, then you have to adjust the pixels as well, that I have already done. Okay, shadow on, white color, shadow on, white. So we have done this step as well. So if you are now look into your report, you can see that your visuals are properly adjusted and it is rounded from every side. And also we have opened the option of shadow. You are not able to see the shadow here properly, but when we add the background, when we add some neon background in that, so that that shadow will look good. Okay, so we have done with all the steps. Our last step is the main step, color theme plus background. Okay, we have to change the background. First we have to add the theme in that. Okay, this theme, this is the neon theme. I told you, black and a mixture of black and blue color. Okay, so go to our report and just click anywhere on the, sorry, click anywhere on the canvas and go to canvas setting, go to canvas background and browse for the background. We have some images here. We have different type of images. So I will take this image and it is not fit properly. So go again here, canvas background, and make it image fit and make it fit. Okay. So now we have also added the background. It will look good, but we have to do something more. We have to change the background of our visuals also. First, we will change the background of this. Okay. So click here, go to effects and make background off. Okay, and we have to arrange the title properly. So supermarket sales report, I will change its color to white. We can change color from here, font color menu. I will make it colors white. Color is white. I will also want to remove these border as well. Okay, because I don't want white border, so that our uh, title will be aligned properly here without any borders or without anything else. So I also don't want borders. So go to effects of the visual border as well. Shadow will be on. Okay. So now you can see it will look good. Okay. So it will arrange properly, and also we can do something else in that. We will see at the last what we can do with it. Now it will look fine. We can also change something if we want. We can make everything of background of shadow will be on, visual border we already opted. Okay, so now we will do same thing with our card visual as well. Make it of black color and also remove the border from there, because we have black background, so it will align properly with black background if it is of black color. Make the color make the background color black. Okay, so go to effects, background color will be black. Okay, and now we have to change the color of our call out values and our labels as well. So make it of white color. Yeah, and category label also make it of white color. Okay, don't make it bold because our call out values are in bold. So go to journal again and off the visual border option. Now you can see are black color and white shadow of this card visual. Okay, when you see the report, it will give you feel. Okay, so we will do same thing with these visuals as well. So go here and go to format your visual, go to general, go to effects, and background will be of black color, and visual border, if you want visual border you can take it, if you don't want you can remove it as well. Okay, so I don't want here. Now I want to change the values inside this visual. So go to legends, legends I want in center right. I want text 8 white color. I want to make it everything white so that it can visible properly. Title will be on. Products title, we can make it products, not product line. And slices, if you want to change the slices, you can change the color of slices. You can make it pink, you can make it dark blue, you can make it of light purple color, you can make it of red color, you can make it this one, and for this you can make select this color. You can change the color slices as well. Then we have detail labels. If you want detail label outside, inside, you can prefer that, you can change that, but I want outside for now. I want only percentage of total, so it will look like that. And values I want in white color, and 8 will be the size. Display unit will be auto. I don't want any auto percentage decimal. I want 0 decimal. I want rounded figures. And the rotation, I can rotate it so that every uh, percentage will be shown here. Okay, I can rotate it 5 degrees, so every product line percentage is shown here. And now we can again go to general and go to title, and we can also arrange the title. We can make it of white color, and we can align it horizontal. Okay, so this is our first visual. We can do same thing with every other visual. Go here and again change the title, make it of white color, align it horizontally, and go to effects. Where is effects? Here we have effects, and close it, open it, change the background color to black, and visual border off. Now go to our visual options, open the legends, center right, value will be of 8, bold, white, title products, I will change it to products, and slices color, I want the same slice color. Okay, and again detail label, I want outside, I want percentage of total, and I want values in white color of 8 pixels, and display unit will be auto, and percentage decimal place is 0. I want figures in round. And rotation, I will make it 5-degree rotate, so every thing will be visible properly. Okay, then go to this visual and again format this visual. First we will format title. Total quantity, we can make it of white color, we can align it horizontally in the middle, and also we can do some changes in effects. In effects, we have background, we can make it on and make it of black color, and visual border off. Now we have to do some changes in visual colors. I want of pink color, I changed it. Okay, show all. Okay, all of pink color. And if you want to change the color of each uh, value, so you can do like that as well. You can change it from here. So I don't want to change it, I want to make it of all labels of pink color, so it will be of pink color. Data label inside center. Okay, data value, I want data value, I want data value percent of first as well. Okay, decrease the size so it will visible, make it of white color, make it bold as well so it will visible properly. Display unit auto, value decimal point, I want decimal point because here all the decimal points are uh, according to near to each other. So I will make, if I will make it round, then everyone will become 7. So I want data decimal points here. So then go to category level, make it of 8 size, bold, make it of white color, and conversion rate 8, bold, and make it of white color. Okay, so conversion rate will also show here. So this will also done. Now we will change this visual as well. Go to general, property we don't want to check. We want to change the background color to black. Visual border off, and again go to visual. X-axis we will check, make it 8, bold, white color. I don't want to increase or decrease area height. Then title, auto, show title only, 8 pixel, bold, white color. And y-axis, auto values. I want to make 8 pixel, bold, and of white color as well. Display units auto. Title, I want show title only, 8 pixels, bold, and of white color. Then legend, top left, I want it top center. Okay, so it will show like that. Text, I want of 8 pixel, bold, and of white color. Title, payment is correct. Grid lines, if you want, you can take it. If you don't want, you can remove it. You can off it from here. Okay, so zoom slider, if you want, you can make it on. If you don't want, you can make it off. Okay, then columns, column color, we can change it, make it this one, and we can choose some light colors as well. Okay, like we can choose light color here as well. Okay, now column will look good. Spacing, if you want to increase the inner padding, so you can do like that. So I can make it 25 pixel. Maximum category width also will be 25 pixel. Data labels, if you want to on, you can make it on. If you want to make it off, you can make it off. Plot area background, nothing we need to do with that. Go to journal again. We have to change the color of title, make it of white color, and align it horizontal. Now we'll do the same thing with this visual. Go to general option. First we will change the color of title, make it of white color, bold, align it horizontally. Then we can change the background color to black. Okay, visual border off, and go to visual again, change the color of every axis, make it 8 bold white, and again show title bold 8 white. We have to change every color to white because on black white will be suited. Okay, so maximum minimum 8 bold, make it white as well. Title auto, show title only, bold 8 pixel, make it white as well. Secondary y-axis, auto values, make it of 8 pixel, make it of white color, and also bold it. Title, show title, make it of 8 pixel, bold, and of white color. We'll do the same thing with every visual. We can make it of white color. Top left, we can make it top center, and text, we can make it of white color, 8 pixels. Customer type, it is correct. And then we have grid lines, we can off it, and we can on it if in the line chart. Style will be dotted, color will be of white color, we can make it. Yeah, now it will look pixel, we can make it 2 pixels, so it will look darker. Zoom slider, if you want, you can on. You want to line, you can also take some lines. Markers, data label, series label, we can on the data label and series label, so it will look like that. So it will look good if we on the data label and series label. Okay, so it is done. Yeah, it is done. We can do some other thing as well. Option values, we can make it of white color, 8 pixel. And background, we have not opened. Series label, we have to change the color of that also. Values, make it of white color and 8 pixel. Okay, and make it bold as well, so everything will be in white color. Change this visual as well. Go to general settings. First change the background, make it of black color, visual border off, and uh, go to title, change the title color to white, align it horizontally, and of 10 pixel. Then go to visual option. uh, First go to y-axis, continuous type, range autos, everything will be auto. Values, You can make it 8 pixel, bold and white color. Then display units auto, value decimal points auto, title, show title only, 8 pixel, bold and of white color. X-axis, in x-axis everything will be auto, values will be of 8 pixel, bold and of white color. Title, auto show title only, 8 pixel, bold, make it of white color. Then go to legends option, and legend we don't have any. Top left we want it in top center, so we can make it in center. Text of 8 pixel, white color, and make it bold as well. Title we want branch, okay, branch is good. Grid lines, if you want you can make it, if you don't want you can remove it. So I don't want, not vertical not horizontal, so I will off, make it off. Zoom slider I don't want. I want to change the color of bars as well. I want to make it of pink color. I want make it of this one, and I want another by, and I want make it this one. No, so this one will not look good, so I can make it this color. So this will not look good on a darker color, so we can make something like a lighter, it will mix with it. We can choose this one. Yeah, now it will look good. Data labels we can make it on, but if you make it on it will not visible, so we can make it off, sorry. Then we have already changed the general settings as well. So now you can see that we are done with the visual. Okay, so you can see the title here, you can see the card visuals here, and you can check every other visual is aligned properly. We have done with the color theme plus background as well. So now if you want to change the background again, okay, now you thought that this background will not look good, so we can change this background as well to make the reports visible properly, or to make the final touch to a report. I choose this background because this background is very much similar to uh, we have do with our every visual, so we can change the background from here as well. I have blue and black color mixture background some as well, so remove it and choose this one and make it fit. Canvas background, choose this background and fit. It is not it will not be applied in that, so we can choose the same background as well. We have some other backgrounds as well, you can try these as well. You can download these backgrounds from Google, and you can easily find those neon color backgrounds on Google as well. And image fit, you have to choose the fit. So we have convert the total messy report into a clear one, and this report will look good, and this will like same as this report here. We don't have like border, so we can remove border from this also. Go to, go here in effects, and visual border we have already off it. Okay, so yeah, now it will look good. So we have title here, you can increase the size of this. If you want to increase the size of text box, you can make it larger so that it will align properly with this visual. Yeah, now you can see that the all visuals have shadow, borders and rounded corners, and we did some alignment and visual dimensions also. So that's it for today's session. We will meet in another lecture with some other exciting Power BI tricks. I have already explained some tricks before as well. You can go and watch that videos, you will learn something beautiful regarding Power BI. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care. And if you didn't subscribe the channel till now, please subscribe the channel, and I will provide some other videos on Excel, Power BI, Tableau and SQL, Python as well in future. Thank you very much, bye bye, take care.